Hello and welcome to Maths Made Easy. Today we will be discussing about the logical equivalence of the statements. Now any two statements are said to be logically equivalent if and only if the truth values are identical. So if any two statements say S1 and S2 are equivalent, then we write it as is S1 is equivalent to S2. So to find the logical equivalence of any two statements, we construct a joint truth table for those statements and then we compare the truth values in their respective columns, and if we get the truth values are identical, then we say that the given statements are logically equivalent. So for example, we have to prove that these two statements are logically equivalent, that is P and Q, and the second statement is negation of P implies negation Q. So we first of all we will start making the truth table. So for that we require how many rows and columns will be required. Here we have only P and Q, so that means the rows will be 2 raised to 2, that is 4, and columns will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 plus 2, so that will be 6 columns and 4 rows. Now constructing truth tables we have already seen before. Links to those videos are being given in the description box. Also like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So here we have seen that this is the kind of truth table that we draw, and here we have numbered all the columns. So first two columns will always be the component statements, that is P and Q. Then next is the first statement pattern, that is P and Q. Now about second statement pattern, here you require negation Q, so next column will be negation Q. Then you have P implies negation Q, so that will be your next column, and in the end your second statement pattern, so that will be negation P implies negation Q. So let's start making the truth table. First two columns will be TTFF and TFTA. Next column is P and Q. Now we know P and Q will be true only if both the statements are true. That is, in first row it will be true, for other all it will be false. Next we have negation Q. So negation Q will have opposite truth values as Q. So it will be FT, FT. Next we want P implies negation Q. So this is your first column and this will be your second column. Now here implication will be false if first statement is true and second statement is false. So in first row T and F, so here it will be false, and for other all values it will be true. Now we have negation of fifth column, so the truth values will be just opposite, so that will be T, F, F, F. So from the truth table that we have constructed, what we are able to see, the values or the truth values in third and the sixth column are identical. So we can say that these two statements are logically equivalent. So we write it in this way: P and Q is equivalent to negation of P implies negation Q. You can keep solving more such sums and prove if the given statements are logically equivalent or not. If they are not equivalent, we can just put a slash here and we can say that the statements are not logically equivalent. So keep on practicing. Bye.